Good morning, Lauren Lefkowitz, Greber, Realty Executives, Valencia. Hope you're having a wonderful Monday, December 1st after the long holiday day. Consumer Financial Protection Bureau, the name says it all, ordered California-based residential mortgage lender Franklin Loan Corporation to pay $730,000 in restitution for rewarding its employees with bonuses for suggesting loans with higher interest rates to borrowers. So that's against the law, just an FYI. They're allowed to give higher interest rates to borrowers as long as they're disclosing to the borrower what that does. They're not allowed to pay bonuses to their mortgage lenders or their brokers or their employees for convincing a borrower to accept a higher interest rate. Rates are pretty straightforward across the board, but there are ways that lenders can go ahead and get a higher interest rate accepted by a borrower. They actually do get money back in the back end, but the lenders that I work with generally do give it to the borrower towards closing cost credits. Years ago, I had a buyer that had a lender situation where they convinced them to buy or to take a higher interest rate. And I could see on their closing statement, it was a refi, it wasn't a purchase, it was a refi, on their closing statement that the lender was getting back $11,000 as a, I hate to say it, but as a kickback. So be aware, if your lender is suggesting a higher interest rate than what seems to be out there, ask why. If your lender is offering a higher interest rate so that you get money back towards closing cost credit, go for it if that financially works for you. Think about how long you're going to be in the property. Think about what the difference in the monthly payment is by accepting that higher interest rate. Think about how much money you need in your pocket right now versus paying everything out so you have nothing to deal with if you need to do some little mini repairs on the property. There's advantages to taking a higher interest rate. There's disadvantages, of course, to taking a higher interest rate. But make sure that your lender explains it to you. And if your lender convinces you to get a higher interest rate and gets a bonus from their employer for doing that, it's against the law. So, what is it? What's the name of the company? California, 18 locations in Southern California, Franklin Loan Corporation. If you did a loan through them, you might want to talk to the powers that be and see if you're going to be part of the money that does come back. Lauren Lefkowitz, Greber, Realty Executives, Valencia. Hope you're having a great day today. Remember to always keep your wits about you when buying or selling your home. Pay attention to your mortgage lender's suggested interest rate. Bye-bye now.